Do you know that some of the most valuable business concessions are actually aimed towards small businesses in Australia? This is the reason why tax planning for small businesses is very, very vital, because there's so many concessions available to small businesses, and it only takes a conversation with your accountant before 30th of June to realize these concessions and take full use of it. Small business concessions include the instant asset write-off, which is due to finish off by 30th of June 2026. At this stage, there's no extension of this concession. So if you're planning on purchasing any assets, being equipment, tools, cards, whatever you want to purchase, any single asset that is less than $20,000 in value is deductible within 2026 financial year, as long as it's purchased, ready to use by 30th of June 2026. Please don't go buying assets that you don't need, because remember that you're not getting back the whole money as a refund. You're only entitled to 25 cents in a dollar if you're a company, and entitled to up to your marginal tax rate per dollar if you're a sole trader. So don't go off buying assets because you just feel like you're going to get some free money or a refund from the government. Be sure to review your cash flow and make sure you're purchasing those assets because you actually need them, and then bring them forward rather than buying them later. If you're GST registered, the $20,000 is actually the GST exclusive amount. If you're not GST registered, the $20,000 is the amount on the total invoice that is eligible for the $20,000 limit. There's things like small business restructure rollover relief that small businesses are entitled to, that allows you to restructure from one business structure to another if you feel like circumstances have changed. For instance, if you're a sole trader, that sole trading business is no longer serving you any purpose, you can restructure to a company or trust. And it's only talking to your accountant before 30th of June that you can talk about these conversations. So it's worth it. Be sure you're calling your accountant and booking that time with them. Make use of the concessions and save some tax.